Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 1 End of Module Project 1. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Preparation. Open the given Excel file and save it as the updated version with a _2 suffix. Ensure your name appears in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Projects Worksheet. Increase font size for cells A2, A3 to 12 points. Enter data from the provided table into the range B8, C11. Use AutoFit to adjust the width of column B. Enter AFS 51 Easy 21 in cell E6, select E6, E11, and apply Flash Fill. Hide column C. Step 3. Scheduling Worksheet. Update cell A3 to week of February 22, 2021. Cut D15, E18 and paste into A13, B16. Use the count function in cell B13 to count values in C6, C11. Adjust zoom to 120%. Change page orientation to portrait. Step 4. Facilities Worksheet. Move the Facilities Worksheet between projects and scheduling. Hide the Facilities Worksheet. Step 5. New Worksheet. Insert a new worksheet, rename it Contractors, and place it after scheduling. Step 6. Final steps. Ensure the workbook matches the final figures provided. Save, close, and submit via the SAM website. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.